the hide slides into a massive, open stainless steel paddle drum. A powerful jet of warm water begins to
The wet hide is fed onto a wide, rotating cylinder. A razor-sharp spiral blade spins rapidly.
The pile of bison hair, now cleaned, is collected. It will be processed for insulation or other byproducts.
Baiting. The pelt is transferred to a drum with an enzyme solution. This softens the collagen fibers, crucial for making the leather supple. In a new drum, the pelt is treated with a mild salt and acid solution. This prepares the collagen to receive the tanning agents. The drum door opens. The now tanned crust leather is unloaded. It is stable, will not rot, and has a distinct earthy smell.
The leather is drummed again to neutralize any residual acidity and prepare it for dyeing.
Fat liquoring, oils and waxes, natural and synthetic, are added to the same drum. These lubricate the fibers, making the leather soft and pliable. The leather passes under a series of rapidly oscillating cotton cloth buffing wheels. This creates a soft, low-gloss luster. Plating. The leather is fed through a heavy, heated press between two polished steel plates. This sets
Calculating usable area. 98.5%. Grade A, premium fashion use.
The approved hide is rolled onto a large cardboard tube, grain side out. with a final ticket attached. It is now finished leather.
The raw edge of a panel is painted with a special dye using a tiny roller. A second pass heat seals it to a smooth finish.
The jacket is placed on a mannequin. Every stitch, seam, zipper, and snap is inspected under bright lights.
Each item is wrapped in soft, acid-free tissue paper.
A montage of sounds, the hum of drums, hiss of sprays, thump of the clicker press, whir of sewing machines.
honestly the quietest Tuesday we've had all month.
I know, I almost don't want to go back out there.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
The Archive, a library of past seasons' leather samples and products, a history of craftsmanship.
The transformation is staggering.